Just a tip. The electronic chairs are really freaking heavy. So, the seat is out. On to the next.
We're gutting the interior and installing power window switches. No, we're not installing power. Well, we kind of are in our own way with zip ties.
Do you want the wire cutters back?
Oh, you giving back already?
Yeah.
Oh, these are different.
Ow! Taking out the center console right now.
I feel so ghetto doing this, but
That's alright.
drift car status.
Alright, so basically we are zip tying the makeshift switch panel here just right to the console.
By the way, if you think this is ghetto fabulous, just comment below. We won't hate you for your comments, but you could hate us for our doings.
Raggediness.
Yeah.
It's called a budget build. The hood pins are now done.
Alright, hood pins are done.
Make sure I don't suck.
Giddy up! Ha! Ha! It's not that time of joke then. We're gonna be doing the next hole cutout, but next I gotta figure out where to mount this coil bracket because I'm going to be cutting the mount area. So.
I had the spring. I just literally lost it. Flung out of my hand.
Where does the spring go?
Just go from here to the back end.
Oh, and then some more shit like.
Yeah, it's got some hooks at the end. For that.
so that's a tune-up right there. It's a lot of old fuel. That's right.
It's getting a little hard to breathe right now.
That's funny. The turn signal still works.
She runs, and she runs good. We got her adjusted, so we're having some spark plug issues, but sorry.
Alright guys, it's like 11 o'clock. Hands are dirty, I'm tired. Tomorrow's another big day.
So tomorrow,
It is redo
the seats,
yeah,
seat rails is definitely a priority.
yeah, making the seats and making the intercooler piping, whichever the two. So most likely we're going to be doing the intercooler piping,
Yeah.
which is with the help of Robbie, Grandmaster and Mr. Corvette Master himself. It's like a raccoon flying somewhere. On that note, let's
You guys
wrap
got
it
the
up,
down low on
and
this
let's
from
hit it
one
hard
time.
tomorrow. Tofu, Gearheads out.
Start pumping now.
It's like this. Let's get the Chevy. All right.
Oh yeah. We still got some more things to do, but we're the Tofu Gearheads, and we'll see you later.